Tip Cymraeg yr wythnos, Welsh Language Tip of the Week. Ar wythnos hon, mi fyddwn ni'n dysgu'r gwahanol gyfnodau o amser. We'll be looking at the different periods of time. Edrychwch ar y rhestr isod. Look at the list below. Are you able to translate any of them? Do you know their meaning? Gadewch i ni edrych ar yr atebion. Let's have a look at the answers. Heddiw. Today. Heddiw. Ddoe. Yesterday. Ddoe. Yfory. Tomorrow. Yfory. Neithiwr. Last night. Neithiwr. Eleni. This year. Eleni. Llynedd. Last year. Llynedd. Echdoe. The day before yesterday. Echdoe. Echnos. The night before last. Echnos. Trannoeth. The day or the morning after. Trannoeth. Trennydd. The day after tomorrow. Trennydd. Tradwy. In 3 days' time. Tradwy. Dyma rhai enghreifftiau o frawddegau yn defnyddio'r cyfnodion o amser. Here are some examples of sentences with the different phrases of time. Mi fydda i'n mynd ar fy ngwyliau eleni, achos es I ddim llynedd. Mi fydda i'n mynd ar fy ngwyliau eleni, achos es I ddim llynedd. I will be going on holiday this year because I didn't go last year. Mi fydda i'n mynd ar fy ngwyliau eleni, achos es I ddim llynedd. Neithiwr, mi weithiais I ar ward plant am 10 awr. Neithiwr, mi weithiais I ar ward plant am 10 awr. Last night, I worked on the children's ward for 10 hours. Neithiwr, mi weithiais I ar ward plant am 10 awr. Mi fydd yr adroddiad yn barod yfory neu Trennydd. Mi fydd yr adroddiad yn barod yfory neu Trennydd. The report will be ready tomorrow or the day after tomorrow. Mi fydd yr adroddiad yn barod yfory neu Trennydd. Cofiwch, defnyddiwch eich Cymraeg. Remember to use your Welsh. If you require any support in improving your Cymraeg, please email the email address below. Diolch yn fawr iawn am wrando. Hwyl fawr.